So this is our first rhythm lick. We need to know just two chords. We have G chord and we got C chord. So and we have this with G chord we have this G added ninth chord. So we just move our first finger on the third string, second fret. Then we have this normal. So rhythm on the right hand is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So if we just play with the G chord. Slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So the thing happening with the G chord is, so we first stroke we go down, so we just play, we don't hit full chord, we just play the bass 4th string. Then we go to G add 9th chord, again on the down stroke, so down, down. So, then still now I don't hit my first string here, so. That's the piece you have to learn now. So we have down, down, up, I am removing my finger, then again down I am putting back, then again remove, then back again. So from first now. Then we go, so down, down, we go 4th fret on the 3rd string. String, 2nd fret, 4th fret, then back to open. Then we have C chord again. So just you need to stretch this little finger to reach your 4th fret on the 3rd string.